The Intermediate Guide to Microsoft Excel 2013. Legs, Eggs, and Pigs in a Basket. Another Computer Mama Guide. Say your business was growing and you were going to add 3 new products: legs, eggs, and pigs in a basket. This lesson will show you how to calculate your daily sales over the month and how to combine them all into one spreadsheet. Legs, Eggs, and Pigs in a Basket is going to focus on 2 ribbons, the Home ribbon and the Formulas ribbon. So if you are ready, start the program Microsoft Excel and open a blank spreadsheet. Hello Excel. Labels, Data, Formulas. Let's start with the labels. Click on cell A1 and type in Date. In B1, type Product. C1, type Net. D1, type Quantity. E1, type Revenue. If these are labels, and they are, select all of row 1 and go to Home, Font, Bold. Column A is supposed to be for date. Let's try it. Click on cell A2 and type in 7/1/2015. This is the short date format. Now try this. Select all of column A and go to Home, Number, Long Date. What do you see? The column is wide enough to read Wednesday, July 1st. Try this. Go to Home, Number, Date. This time click on the bottom for more. When Format cells open, you'll see that you are in the Date category, and there are many ways to format the dates. I would like you to spell it out, March 14, 2014. Then when you look at our data, there's no mistake about how it's to be read. Okay, use the AutoFill handle to fill down the date. When you use your left mouse to drag down, what do you see? The dates increment day by day by day. Okay, undo. Try this. Hold the AutoFill handle down with your right mouse and drag down many rows, and then let go. Now you're going to see a short list of options, and one of the options is to fill the weekdays. 1, 2, skip a few. The weekends are missing. Add some more data. Please click on B2 and type in eggs. Now click on the AutoFill handle with a double click. It filled in the data. Column C should be formatted for money, so select column C, go to Home, Number, Accounting. Try it. Click on C2 and type in $1.50. Okay, use the AutoFill handle, double click it, to fill in the data. AutoFill can fill in a series as well. Try this. In D2 type 100, in D3 105. Select 100 and 105. Double-click the AutoFill handle. What do you see? Excel knows how to count by fives: 105, 110, 115, 120. Well, are you making any money? Click on E2 and let's make a calculation. All equations start with equals. Click on C2 times D2. Click Enter. I see $150. You can double-click the AutoFill handle to fill the formula down to the rest of the rows. Very good. Now, how much did you make altogether? Scroll down to the bottom of the sheet and click on E23. Go to Home, Editing, AutoSum. Excel will outline all of the money in the column, and when you hit Enter, will calculate $4,722. Not bad. Finish it off by clicking on Home, Font, Top Border. There you go. Double-click the tab on the bottom and rename this one Eggs. The numbers in column D are good, but they are inflexible. There is a better way that uses cell references. Let's start it this way. Select row 1 and insert 4 blank rows. Go to Home, Cells, Insert, and click on Sheet Rows. Do that again and again. Insert, Insert, Insert. Go to cell A1 and type Price. Go to cell A2 and type Start. Go to cell A3 and type Increment. If these are labels, and they are, go to Home, Font, Bold. Format B1 for currency, and then enter the data, $3.25, dollars and cents. All of the product sales should have the same price, B1. That's a formula. Click on C6 and type equals, and then click on B1. Excel will calculate when you hit the Enter key. C6 equals B1. If you double-click C6, you'll see it audited, and there'll be an outline around B1. You can test it. Click B1 and type 350. Test it again. Click B1 and type 150. The value in cell C6 updates automatically. Click on C1 and double-click the AutoFill handle. And notice there's a mistake. It was a relative value. If you click down on C10, it is no longer looking at B1, but it was looking at B5. This makes a mistake. Excel can't multiply the word product times a number. There is a better way. Instead of relative, we can use absolute. Try again. Click on C6. And when you click on C6, go to the formula bar and click on the B1. On your keyboard, type F4. This changes it to $B, $1. That means absolute. It will not change. Now double-click the AutoFill handle and see. Every single row has an absolute B, absolute 1. If you double-click any of them, they all refer to the same price, B1. And that was the plan. Now we have to calculate the quantity. In this example, we'll make one cell reference in the formula relative, it'll change, and the other absolute. Thoughts to consider. Cell D6 is the initial quantity sold. Cell D7 should be whatever we sold on the first day, plus the quantity we are forecasting for each day's sale. Here's how it works. The start is 100. The increment is 5. Click on D6. Type equals and then click on B2. Enter. In D7, type equals and click on the day before, D6. On the keyboard, type plus and then click on B3. Go up to the formula bar and click between the B and the 3. On the keyboard, click F4 to make it absolute. $B, $3. Click the Enter key. Click again on D7 and double-click the AutoFill handle. It looks like Excel can count by fives. Double-click any of the formulas and you'll see the references. One is absolute, $B, $3. The other is relative. That means it will change day by day by day. This is how it works. Okay, this is a good place to audit our work. Click on B3. Go to Formulas, Formula Auditing, and click on Trace Dependents. Who depends on you? It looks like all of the formulas in the D column depend on B3. Click on Trace Dependents again. All of the formulas in the E column also depend on B3. This is my dependence. Go back to Formula Auditing and click on Remove Arrows. Sometimes it helps to look at the formulas. Here are the steps. Go to Formulas, Formula Auditing, Show Formulas. There they are. You can click on Show Formulas again to return to the normal view. So the first spreadsheet is ready to go. We can make a copy of it for the other two products. Right-click the tab for eggs. Left-click Move or Copy. Check to create a copy. And that's okay. There is a new spreadsheet called Eggs 2. Double-click the tab and rename that legs. Our goal now is to update the product data. Click on B6 and change eggs to legs. Double-click the AutoFill handle in B6 to fill down the product. Click on B1 and update the price to $3.25. Click on B2 and update the start from 100 to 50. Legs, eggs, and pigs. Right-click the legs sheet. Left-click Move or Copy. Check to create a copy. And that's OK. There's a new spreadsheet called Legs 2. Double-click the tab and rename that Pigs. Now let's update the data for the pigs. Click on B6 and change the legs to pigs. Double-click the AutoFill handle to fill that down. The price should be changed to $4.75. Click on B2 and the start should be updated to be 200. The increment is 1. Good. We have 3 product sheets. Right-click the pig sheet, move or copy, check to create a copy, click OK. The goal is to make a summary sheet. Double-click Pigs 2 and rename that one All Products. Update the product sheet. Click on B6. Type All Products. Double-click to make the column wider, and then click on B6 again. You can double-click the AutoFill handle. The data in column C and column D is already calculated on the individual spreadsheets, but watch what happens when we delete those columns. Select column C and column D. Go to Home, Cells, Delete, and click on Delete the Sheet columns. What do you see? The equations in the reference columns now read #ref. The equation doesn't have the data for net or quantity anymore. It has nothing to reference, hence the error message. Go ahead, select those cells and hit the delete key to clear the busted equations. Click on C6 to create the grand total. All equations start with equals. Type equals. Go to the leg sheet and click on E6. Type plus. Go to the egg sheet and click on E6. Type plus. Go to the pig sheet and click on E6. Click Enter to return to the All Products page. Let's do that again. Click on C7. Go to the leg sheet and click on E7. Type plus. Go to the egg sheet and click on E7. Type plus. Go to the pig sheet and click on E7 again. Type Enter to return to the All Products sheet. Click on C7, double-click the AutoFill handle, and the formula will fill down. Oh look, you have too much money. Pound, pound, pound means the column's too small. Double-click the column to make it wider. Well, you done good. We have legs, eggs, and pigs. You can get the cookie. And thank you for coming.